Welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel, your host of this channel, and today I am going to be just kind of giving you an update, showing you what is to come. So hang tight, and I'll be right back in here in just a moment, and I'm going to show you what I had sent to me. So hang tight. Alright, so what we have right here is a product that is built by Detroit Axle out of Michigan, and obviously this particular video is going to be a sponsored video, so I'm going to just go ahead and show you the products. I'm not going to show everything because it's all the same stuff. So anyways, first thing first here, they sent me a can of their, get on the English side, make sure you guys can see that, brake and parts cleaner, 50 state formula. They sent me a bottle of their synthetic .3, and they sent me these are premium ceramic disc brake pads. I got 2 boxes of them. One set is for the front, the other set is for the back. Comes with the hardware, so that's nice. I'm pretty sure these are the front pads. It's got this green kind of stuff on the pad itself. That stuff burns off after your first mile or so. I can't remember what's called offhand. I will have to email them and ask them what it is for sure. There is a name for it, so. But yeah, so let's put that back in there. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that first set was the front pads, and this here I think is the back pads. I'll open it up and I'll show you. Yeah, this is the back set of brake pads. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of dark in here. I'm trying to get more light in here, so but yeah. So go ahead and put that down there for counterweight. And then for the 2 heavier boxes, these are their disc brake rotors. See if I can get them out of here. Turn up the box. They do include a little flyer with our 10% off code for this kit. However, I do have a different discount code that you can use, and I will include that somewhere right here. You'll see it, and also there'll be a link in the description, so you can check them out. So anyhow, let's just go ahead and open these up. These are the back rotors for my G6, so those will be going on there, and then this out of there, and I'm all right. then for the front rotors, same deal, coupon code, all that stuff in here. Oh, hard to pick up, quite heavy. So, yeah, that's the front rotor. So, anyhow, okay. So, so that is one video that is to come. That video is going to be at least one side of the car is going to be on my channel. The other side of the car is going to be on Detroit Axle's channel. So you want to check them out. Go to YouTube, go to the search bar, type in Detroit Axle, go and subscribe, and then you will see one of my other videos plus this video will be coming soon. As soon as I get it created and edited and uploaded to their email so they can get it to their YouTube. So, and then mine will appear a few weeks after theirs post. So, but yeah. So next in this is going to be on this car. I believe I'm going to be doing a video on how to replace the starter because my starter is getting really weak. I am searching or sourcing for a new starter. Well, not at this moment, but today and tomorrow I will be sourcing for a new starter. I don't want to really go to my local auto parts store, but I may have to. So I'm going to be doing some research, and I'll get back to you guys on that one. Also, I have, there's something else. I replaced my alternator on my car a few months ago. I did not do a video on that because I had to have my vehicle that day and I didn't have time to make the video and I just want to get it done and over with. But however, I think I'm having issues with the alternator. I did buy it through a local auto parts store, so it is under warranty. I'm going to be actually pulling it out and having it tested, and I will be, I can test it myself, but I'm going to pull it out and take it to them and have them test it. I will show you guys how to install that video, how to remove it, and then how to install it. So hang tight, that video will be coming very soon as well. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscriber button somewhere up here. Little bell notifications to be the first one to see my videos. Smash that thumbs up and comment. Positive feedback is always great. I like seeing other people's opinions on here, so, and to the person that felt the need to private message me about me saying in my last video, very funny. That's fine, not a problem. I don't do a script for my videos, so I do this just off the top of my head. Sometimes I'll write a list of stuff that I need to mention, and that's probably what I should have done in this video, but I just chose to do it this way. So, but anyhow, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, share these videos. I'm doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so if you guys want to be a part of that, start subscribing right now, and then I will be, as soon as I see 1,000 subs, I will be posting the rules and regulations for the giveaway. I'm going to be doing auto parts gift cards to people, so that would be something. That would be something for you guys to check out. Everybody loves free money, so also check down the description my social media for my Instagram. That's where you want to follow me at. If you want to see the giveaway, you definitely want to follow me on Instagram, so link will be in the description. Link to my Facebook page will be in the description also. Go over there and give me a like on it. I just now hit 50 likes on there, and I'm trying to get up to 100 likes, so that would be awesome. Also, also my Patreon. If you want to support me on my Patreon, there'll be a link down there or down below. I have not been posted on there, but I have not had any followers on it yet, so not sure if I'm going to keep Patreon or not. So, but if I get followers on there, then I'll keep it. So, anyhow, yeah. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.